Discover the unrivaled durability and power of the SEBO G4 upright vacuum cleaner, built to last for years of superior performance. Durable construction. The SEBO G4 is crafted with high-quality materials and engineered for endurance, ensuring it withstands heavy use. Height-adjustable power head. The motorized brush head adapts to different carpet heights, delivering powerful suction and optimal cleaning results. S-Class filtration. Equipped with hospital-grade filtration, this vacuum captures 99.9% of dust and allergens, providing a healthier environment. Brush obstruction warning system. An integrated light indicator alerts you when the brush head encounters an obstruction, making it easy to maintain peak performance. Full bag indicator. The vacuum notifies you when the dust bag is full, ensuring consistent suction and avoiding unnecessary maintenance. Long cord and wide cleaning path. With an extended power cord and a wide cleaning path, the SEBO G4 covers large areas quickly and efficiently. The SEBO G4 upright vacuum cleaner delivers strength, precision, and reliability, an essential tool for deep, thorough cleaning in any place.